Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, we're going to learn how to configure the Authentication tab of the SmartV setup. As you can see, I'm in the middle of configuring SmartV for my project. Now I'm on the Authentication step. The first option I have here is I can enable or disable two-factor authentication. With two-factor authentication disabled, anyone who matches my login and condition will be allowed into the project without any additional security check. This means, in my case, that any contact with a valid contact email will be able to access my project even without verifying themselves. It's recommended to always have this on for live projects, and you can turn this off for testing if you don't want to go between your email and your project constantly. I'm going to enable it, and next it's asking me for a verification code field. This is a field on my object in Salesforce that will store the login code temporarily while the user goes to his email and inputs it. Once he inputs the code, Titan will verify with the Salesforce field that the fields match, and only if they do will the user be allowed in. In my case, I have a custom field set up on my object called SmartV. This is a number field, and it's 6 digits long. The SmartV field has to be at least 6 digits long, and it can be any number field with any name. I'm going to select my SmartV field and continue. Next, we have an option to send an email to the user. Now, it's recommended to use Salesforce as your mail server. I have an org email set up here, and you can always use the Titan mail server as fallback. We will have additional videos about SmartV quick links and sign in with Google. And that's how it's done.